Hi there, today we're unboxing a heavy duty power pack. So this particular power pack, how much is it going for?
They go for around 150, 160 pound on Amazon.
Okay, so if you see on this, you can use it for jump starting a car, and it's got an inverter built in as well. So you can actually power a source off there. So a laptop, TV, etc., or even small tools. So very useful. Quite a bit of weight to this, to be honest. So let me get it into position so we can open it up. Okay, yeah, if you grab that.
Right, so this is a base plate for it, where you can actually leave the jump starter or the power pack sitting on there on standby, which is very useful because you don't have to keep worrying about having a power pack which is low on charge. So that's very useful. And just be careful if you do get it and you want to lift it out. It's just comes in just over 14 kg. So
okay, really... so this is the base. Let's have a quick look what's in the package. So we've got charging point, charging plug, looks like. Got a couple of small fuses as well in there.
And this
just
is your
like that.
Cigarette charger as well, cigarette lighter charger.
And cigarette lighter charger.
It's a fast charger.
Okay, so you can charge it in a car, right?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Let me move this. Yeah. Okay, let's take this out.
Instruction manuals there.
Okay. Briefly show that.
It's got all different languages in there, so I've highlighted all the English versions, save looking through the bits and pieces. Right, lift it out.
Yeah, go for it.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god.
Very solid item here, to be honest. Let's have a look. Hang on. 300 watts it says here. So there's your socket if you want to plug something into that. USB charge point, it looks like. Looks like a light here as well. Okay, so we've got it out of the box. Next thing is we're going to put the fuse in to be able to turn it on.
And that's the fuse
point
in the center there.
Put it in there.
Sit that in there. Close it up.
If I press that. Excellent. So you've got a work light there. That's really useful. Let's try and see if this works. Obviously I won't plug anything in, it will just prove that it's actually working. So,
and then you press this.
Yeah. There you go, the power's come on. So that's providing a power there. So that's quite useful. How long can you use this for? Depends on the wattage, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's got 300 watts of power coming out of there.
Okay, so that's sufficient to run quite a few items. Yeah, very heavy, obviously. The next thing to show probably, if you turn it sideways.
Oh, there's a jump starter, the main.
Yeah, you got the jump starter there on one side, and then the other side you've got the positive.
And that sits in there neatly as well.
So if you turn the RAM to the back. Okay, it's just some basic instructions on that. So yeah, very useful. Obviously multi-purpose, multiple ways of charging it. And obviously let's show the base as well. So you can have the power plugged into the base and this constantly on charge. So via these 2 points, if we just sit it nicely on there. So those 2 bits slot into that and just keeps it charged.
So you can have it on standby.
So there you go. So that's another thing. So 3 methods of charging. You can charge it directly from the mains. You can have this plugged into the actual base over there, just to show. And you can charge it in your car as well. So very useful if you're after something like this. Multi-purpose, like I've said. And obviously you can jump start a car off it as well. So very useful.
Because it's heavy duty, you can jump start a car up to 3.5 litres.
Excellent.
and
Okay.
in size.
Excellent.
So really a heavy duty power pack.
So there you go. Thanks for viewing. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this.
Whoops.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Right.